Hi, my name is Aditya. My register number is 18MS1025 and I'm going to present a topic about Jira SPM tool. So what is Jira? Jira lets you prioritize, assign, track, report and audit your issues from software bugs and help desk tickets to project tasks and change requests. More than just an issue tracker, Jira is an extensible platform that you can customize to match your business processes. Jira improves productivity by cutting down on time wasted on tracking issues and coordination. Jira improves quality by ensuring all tasks are recorded with all the details and followed up till completion. So this one application has many uses such as bugs or change request tracking, help desk support, customer service, project management, task tracking requirements, and process management, etc. So this is the workflow of the Jira's concepts. So we have customizable workflows to meet the business needs. So when we open the project, it can be in progress, and after it has been progressed, it can be resolved and closed. Or if it's not resolved, it can be reopened and it can be made to be in progress again. So the features, one of the features, we'll start with each issue creation. So in issue creation, we can create tasks, bug reports, feature requests, help desk tickets in a breeze. We need not transcribe issues from emails to Excel worksheet anymore. It can be easily created via web, like filling the form on web page and sending an email to pre-configured email address. It also allows customizable items for different issue types. So so next feature is reports. So Jira delivers real-time relevant information in a convenient format. It enables the management to have clear visibility of the situation. And next feature is roadmaps. Jira enables you to know what is outstanding and when the issues are scheduled. So next one is notifications. Jira enables you to receive the information you need when you need it. It has configurable email alerts as when issues are updated, optional emails to remind on overdue tasks, subscribe to weekly or monthly reports on issue status. Powerful search. It can find precisely what you are looking for in seconds. Search can be saved as filters and reused. Powerful and flexible searching. Supports searching of customized fields too. Secure. Jira provides fine-grained enterprise-level security. It is usable, which means it has an intuitive interface designed for both business and technical users in mind. It can keep track of all activities, changes, and work logged against issues. It is a low-maintenance system with straightforward administration capability. It is extensible, and it has over 100 plugins contributed by the Jira community. And it is open source. The full source code access allows for further integration and customization of Jira functionality. Top 10 reasons to use Jira. Features you won't find elsewhere. It just works. Fair upfront licensing policy. Battle tested by the world corporations. The information you need when you need it. Easily customizable and extensible. Legendary service. Jira runs anywhere. Continually improving. Recognized with many industry awards. The 5 steps of agile process. Functionality, planning, implementation, testing and review. So I'll now explain the implementation with example. So I'll now log on to the Jira site. So this is the Jira site, and over here we can create a project. So I'm going with team manage project, and here we can give project name. I'll just give test project 3. Here we can create an epic. An epic is here we can create any type of issues, and issue is essentially an element within your workflow. So here I'm going to first create an epic. An epic is abstract of what we are going to create. And in summary, I'm going to give the thing that I am going to create. So I'm going to create a multi-feature call tracking software for my client. So the summary is create a multi-feature call tracking software, and it is an epic, which means it is an abstract. So the I've created the epic now, and next I'll create a story. So the story is what is required to achieve the epic that I have mentioned. So in the epic I have mentioned that I have to create a multi call tracking software. For that, what I need, that is the story. So in summary, I'm going to give location call tracking. This is needed to achieve multi call tracking software. So I'm mentioning it here, and I click create. After I click create, I can see that in backlog. One second. I can see that in backlog, and I also can create another issue. So after I click create, I can also create another issue. Another issue, and it should of the type story, and it will track keywords spoken by the client's customers. So next I'll create a sprint. A sprint is a project workflow of task that should be completed within a timeline. So here I can click on create sprint, and after clicking on create sprint, I can drag the issues that are needed to be in the sprint. So I can just drag and drop the things that are needed to be in the sprint. So I'm dragging both of them into from backlog to the sprint. Okay, so this sprint has we can mention dates. So I'll just give start date as 12/31 and end date as this. So if I give this, this now has start date and an end date. So starting date and ending date. And we can also give goal. I'll just give start. So now it has created a sprint for us. The sprint is nothing but a workflow. So if these are in progress, I can just drag and drop them into the in progress bar. And if any of these issues are done, I can just drag and drop and give it as done. So this is the basic working of the Jira software. Thank you. This was my presentation about Jira software. Thank you.